See how long a couple P1s last on some direct voltage power. Did the JLW3 didn't last too long, so here we go. Right into there.
This episode contains graphic content that may be disturbing to some viewers.
And these are the guys that are gonna die. See how it looks here. There we go, boys. That's how long they last. That was pretty fucking loud. That's the loudest I've ever heard those fucking P1s go. Maybe I should hook that up in my car just to fucking run them like that. They do better. Fucking P1 piece of shit.